1711 East Ocean Boulevard is the address of a magnificent Mediterranean-style home on the Balboa Peninsula Point in Newport Beach, California, located in close proximity to the beaches on both the oceanfront and the bayfront. Entry to this home is through a set of beautifully crafted double doors. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by a museum-like entry hall with hand-painted murals, lighted art niches, and a raised sculpt ceiling. Located on the west side of the entry hall, the first bedroom is much like a master's suite, with its ensuite bath and spacious closet.